Hey everyone, in-depth test of the ASUS ProArt PA24ACRV monitor, which is intended primarily for professionals who deal with graphics, images, and videos, will be covered today. This monitor strives to give you the tools you need for outstanding creative work, whether you're at home or in the office. The ASUS ProArt PA24ACRV is a fashionable complement to any workspace, thanks to its exquisite and well-thought-out appearance. The monitor has a frameless, narrow display that is 30% thinner than those of the line's earlier variants. The attention-grabbing feature of the front panel is its simple appearance, which just features the ASUS logo and control buttons on the right. A light sensor that senses surrounding light and automatically modifies screen brightness is located next to the control buttons. Because it lessens eye strain, this feature is especially helpful for professionals who spend a lot of time in front of screens. A slot for precise cable management is included in the monitor stand, which contributes to keeping the workspace nice. Minimal ventilation holes and a VESA-compatible stand connection on the rear of the monitor provide a variety of wall-mounting choices. With its 2.2-watt speakers, the ProArt PA24ACRV can produce stereo audio. With a resolution of 2560x1440 pixels, the monitor's 23.8-inch QHD display offers superb image detail. The monitor is perfect for professional graphic work because of its wide viewing angles and great color reproduction provided by its IPS display. With a delta-E of less than 2, it ensures accurate color reproduction throughout 100% of sRGB and 95% of the DCI-P3 color gamut. The ASUS ProArt PA24ACRV is a professional-grade picture quality monitor that produces crisp, high-quality images with vibrant colors. It's enjoyable to work with because of the rich, detailed hues. The capabilities and multi-technology support of the display greatly improve the graphic production process. The ASUS ProArt Preset, which provides preset profiles suited for various jobs including photo editing, video appearance, and other creative work, is also included with the ASUS ProArt PA24ACRV. These presets optimize the monitor for different kinds of content creation by enabling instantaneous color and brightness adjustments. Accurate color reproduction offers colors with greater accuracy than standard Tennessee panels. Enhanced viewing angles promotes visibility from various perspectives. With the help of the ASUS Display Widget Center program, which is supported by the monitor, users may change all display settings with just their mouse. Using this software instead of physical buttons and a regular menu allows you to manage settings more quickly and conveniently. Professionals working in graphic-related sectors may expect the most precise and accurate colors from the ASUS ProArt PA24ACRV. For any creative worker, its many capabilities and detailed, high-quality display make it an outstanding tool. I'm really satisfied with this monitor based on my initial use, even though I haven't tested it much. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.